Today, we are going to talk about one of the most secretive and revolutionary fighter jets ever revealed. Welcome to Auto Trend, where we bring you the most advanced machines, futuristic technology, and the hidden power of tomorrow's military innovation. The NGAD is not just another fighter jet. It is the backbone of the future battlefield, designed to secure air superiority for decades to come. Imagine a jet that combines the stealth of the F-22 Raptor, the versatility of the F-35 Lightning II, and completely new systems that no other aircraft in the world has ever seen. This is the NGAD. Its stealth technology has been taken to an entirely new level. Every panel, every curve, and even the paint is designed to bend radar waves. The fuselage features adaptive coatings that can reduce heat signatures and even alter appearance, making the jet nearly invisible to both radar and infrared detection. Under the hood, the NGAD is powered by adaptive cycle engines. These engines are unlike anything flying today. They can switch between fuel-efficient cruising and raw, high-thrust combat modes instantly. This gives the jet extended range for long missions and overwhelming speed when it needs to dominate in combat. Step inside the cockpit, and the difference becomes even clearer. The NGAD is built for both manned and unmanned operations. Advanced AI copilots sit alongside the pilot, providing data analysis, sensor fusion, and decision support at lightning speed. In unmanned mode, the jet can fly autonomously into the most dangerous zones, carrying out missions without risking a human pilot. But the real game changer is the loyal wingman concept. The NGAD doesn't fight alone. It commands a fleet of drones, some for electronic warfare, some for reconnaissance, and others armed for combat. This makes it the centerpiece of a combat network, controlling the battlefield with unmatched precision. From its advanced electronic warfare systems, capable of jamming enemy radars and communications, to its next-generation weapons bay that can carry hypersonic missiles, long-range air-to-air weapons, and precision-guided munitions, the NGAD is designed to dominate every possible scenario. In the military headquarters showroom, the NGAD stands as a symbol of future air power. Sleek, sharp, and futuristic, it doesn't just look powerful, it is powerful. Every angle tells a story of dominance, technology, and unmatched engineering. This is more than a fighter jet. This is a complete system of systems: stealth, speed, AI, networking, and overwhelming firepower, all combined into one platform. The NGAD is the future of air combat, a machine built not only to defend airspace, but to rewrite the rules of modern warfare. Stay with us on Auto Trend, because here we uncover the machines that will shape tomorrow's world. From next-generation jets to futuristic technologies that will leave you amazed.